Ramadan is the Islamic holy month in which the faithful fast from sunrise to sunset, brings a lot of joy to Muslims worldwide. Fasting is a deeply spiritual experience sanctioned by the Islamic faith. But medical experts also point out neurological and nutritional benefits for the human body and brain. An associate professor of neurology at the medical school of the Zakaria University, Murad Alamdar, said, "If an individual cares about having a regular sleep, a regular nutrition, and other regular movements of life, she will capitalize on the benefits of fasting in Ramadan more than others." There are links between fasting and increasing level of secretion in the BDNF activity, augmenting the production of brain stem cells. Fasting also helps the brain rest in a period when other organs of the human body, such as stomach, are less in use because eating, drinking, smoking, and other related activities come to a halt in Ramadan. In a period when the less nutrition enters the body, leading to the other organs to send much less signals to the brain, where more than 100 billion nerves communicate with each other constantly to ensure the body to function in a proper sense and help it rest a little more than other times. It's known that feeling peace due to fulfilled mission in a field of worshipping brings tranquility, creating positive effects in the human brain. Fasting liberates the brain from many other daily activities, increasing the prospects of its concentration on essential functions in the nervous system. We need to standardize both our sleeping and nutrition patterns between iftar and sahur. If our body is accustomed to a good Ramadan routine, it could help our brain functions better. A Turkish nutrition Ceren said, "In our daily lives, because we consume so much food, our body spends a lot of time digesting them. During fasting, the digestive system works less, allowing the body to focus on other areas like strengthening the immune system and diminishing the levels of infection." Fasting can also help the body fight conditions like oxidative stress, which can increase the possibility of cancer, slowing the speed of the spread of cancer cells. When you take less food, it means you also decrease the level of insulin, a hormone which controls the amount of sugar in the blood, reducing fat. We have a hormone in our body called adiponectin, which is important both protecting our heart health and keeping our glucose levels low. According to some studies, fasting increases this hormone. As a result, we can say the fasting protects the health of our heart.